Okay, now you have your new FTH 2.0 or your Free Toast Host 2.0 site. If you didn't get it, then you need to go back to the first video and find out how to request a site. First thing we're going to do here is, I've already logged in as the site admin as shown in the first video. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the admin console. And this is basically, when you're doing any modifications or changes to the site, it's all going to happen through this console or this window. So let's see here. So just think of this console as kind of like a portal to make all the changes to your website. And I'm going to click on this, and you'll see that we're already on club website settings, so we'll go through that in a moment. Then below that there's administrator information, membership management, default web pages, social networking links, custom web pages, floater messages, file manager, and meeting agenda settings. So in this video, we're really just going to first update the administrator information, and we might look at the club website settings a little bit. So let's go to administrator information first, and it looks like it already pre-populated my information because I was the one that requested it. And so if you remember in the first video, they gave me some kind of a password code that was like UWX12751 whatever. Well, I'm going to change it to make it a lot easier. Make sure you remember this. You can always request it again later, but go ahead and write it down. So I'm going to stick a temporary one in here just for the sake of using this. I'll just type in, let me see. Man, I'm going to make it a lot easier than that. I'm just going to call it test password. And let's do it again, just in case we messed it up here. Okay, let me jot that down so I don't forget it. And then you hit save. And looks like I don't know how to type two of the same thing, so let me try it one more time. And one more time. All right. Looks. Come on now. Okay, well, looks like I got to make it even easier here. All right. Yes, okay. So let me jot that down. All right, moving a little slow, but it'll pick up here. Okay, so we got that. So let's go to, you get to choose your theme 1, 2, or 3. You can play around with that, see what it looks like for yourself. If you purchased a custom website domain and you want this site to run off of that URL, then you can go ahead and put that in here, but don't waste the money. And set your time zone. So we are, let's see, Pacific. Let's go ahead and pick, looks like we got cities in here too. Oh, there we go, there's US. So US Pacific. Just so the system clock and everything is kind of matched up for you there. So As you can see, when we type this in the club name, this is the name of your club that will appear in the banner heading of your website. So again, for this particular demonstration, I'm doing this for Seriously Funny Club. And we'll see that in the banner later. Description: the official website of Toastmasters Club 2732, Toastmasters Club. So you can put whatever you want in there. I don't know where it's going to show up. Maybe it'll pop up on the home page as well. And looks like it already put some keywords in there. So search engines will pick up on these keywords. You can add more if you like later. You can put in your city name. So I'll go ahead and throw in Bellevue and Public Speaking Toastmasters Leadership. And since it's Seriously Funny, let me go ahead and put in humor as well, so the search engines can pick up on that. Here's the main heading. I won't, so let me go ahead and just modify that. Let me see. Public Speaking Leadership and, oops, can't spell today, and humor. Let's go with that. Now if you remember on the home page, we saw this image along with some other things. Well, this is the actual place that you update the home page. So you could drag this down if you want a little more space to work with. And but we'll mess with this, modifying the pages, in one of the next videos. So I'll keep on moving along here. Google Webmaster Central Meta Tag. This is a little bit for advanced Toastmasters and searches and search engine optimization. So you'll have to click on this and kind of read up on it if you want to get into that. And again, with Google Analytics and reporting on your website stats and traffic, this is an advanced area as well. So you have to do your own research on that. This is just to select how big you want this portal or this admin console to be. I'll go ahead and select large. And down near the bottom, it's hard to see because it's grayed out, but you got a bunch of links on the left of your home page, your website. Well, if you click any of these, it'll hide them. So if you don't want to show the club calendar starting off, just click that, it'll hide it. Public downloads, hide. Free resources, hide. Toastmasters video, hide. Mentor-mentee request form, you can hide that one. And we'll leave the rest visible. So meeting information, directions, meet our members, meeting agendas, member downloads, and default Toastmaster information. We'll leave all that. So I'll go ahead and click Save. And it gives you a message right here: success, information updated, close window, or select a new area to edit. So we've taken care of all of that. It's all saved in there. And we've done administrator information. So that's all we're going to do on this video. And I will see you on the next one.